Assalamualaikum and good morning. So today I want to present about the case study I have made in Focus Timor Sungai Bahar. So I choose the topic for improving tool ability at Focus Timor Service Center. And my name is Muhammad Raiman bin Muhammad Rashid. So the first step, we have to plan. So I plan problem definition and data gathering. So the problem statement is repair delay causes by unavailable diagnostic tool effect certification. And data collection that I have to do is survey, interview and observation, identify tools and availability costs. So what I get from the data collection is reduce tool related delay by 14% in 3 months. After we make a plan, so we go to do. The step 2 is do. So root cause analysis and technique. First, inventory system. Implement a digital tool tracking system to ensure real-time update on tool status. Second, regular maintenance. Set up a preventive maintenance schedule for diagnostic tool to avoid inspector failure. Third, training. Organizer required training session for technician on proper equipment and maintenance procedure. And the last, spare part management. Improve inventory level for diagnostic tool and spare part to avoid shortage. But everything we do, we always have a pros and cons. So the proposed solution, preventive maintenance, pros is improved tool reliability and lifespan. Reduce sudden failure and downtime, enhance safety and reduce repair costs. But we have a cons. First, requires strict schedule and manpower, may increase workload and resource use. Scheduling frequency can be hard to predict. Proposed solution, centralized tools management. The pros, reduce duplication and improve accountability. Streamline tools issue and return, increase visibility for tool status. And the cons is possible delay if unit efficiency need reduction staff and setup costs, and risk of efficiency if poorly managed. So after the study, decision metric and implementation, the solution digital tracking, we use a cost is high intention, but we have a benefit strong efficiency and particular moderator. For the preventive maintenance, cost moderated, benefit increased reliability and particular high. And the third, fertilizer unit, cost moderated to higher, benefit improved management and particular moderate. Then we go to step 3. The step 3 is check. Result after trial, tools ability, we get improved by 13.5% reduction search time, and repair lead time reduced by 28%, especially for diagnostic. And the third, customer satisfaction increased by 20 due to faster service. And the last, staff adaptation. No issue with digital system use, training needed. And the fourth step is action taken. First, expanded digital tracking, standardized tools management across all bay, preventive maintenance, monthly calibrate, check, institutionalization. Third, training modules developed to improve digital system use. And fourth, satellite unit pilot. Plan a high volume department next step. So I make a future step and recommendation. So I recommend to expand tool tracking all out system to other department, and regular audit, monitor system use and tools condition, Kaizen terms for ongoing process improvement, and automation, explore AI and robotic tool for efficiency. And for the conclusion, PDAC success at Focus Timor. PDAC improved tool availability by 35%, repair time by 28%, and certification by 20%. structure problem solve, and technology bolster efficiency and customer loyalty. That's all for my presentation for case study in quality management, and thank you.